Hi everyone, my name is Tony. Today I will talk about my research topic, which is information of memory, how to storage and what is it. So my thesis statement is, even though the process of how human memory systems gonna work is complex, but memory is still one of the most important human actions in our life. There are three major processes of the memory system. Each of them is so important to our memory system. Also, it's important to know what is it. The main point of the research is the three main steps of memory system and the definition of it. First one, I will talk about the three steps to the memory system. They are encoding, storage, and retrieval. For the encoding, there are three main ways in which information can be encoded. The first way is called visuals. The second one is acoustic, and the last one is called semantic. Second one, I will talk about the storage. As we know, people will store different information in different time in different types of the memory system. For example, in sensory memory, the storage time is very short. It's about 0.25 seconds to 4 seconds. Next, the storage time kept the information in short-term memory is also kept for a short time also. It's usually 5 to 20 seconds, and the longest time is no more than 1 minute. The last one is in the long-term memory. It will be storage for the information for days and years. Also, chunking and rehearsal storage in short-term memory are also the ways that how people gonna storage in memory system. The last, I will talk about the last step, which is the retrieval in memory system. So the memory retrieval refers to the obtaining information from memory system. For example, if we can't remember something, it may be because we can't get it back. When we are asked to retrieve something from memory, the difference between short-term memory and long-term memory becomes very obvious. Next, I will talk about the basic information that which we need to know about the memory system. The first main information we need to know about memory is the sensory memory system. So sensory memory is the shortest term element of memory. It's the ability to retain the impression of sensory information after the original stimulus has ended. There are 5 senses, which is buffer and retained clarity and briefly. They are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Next, the second main information we need to know about this memory is called the short-term memory. As we know, short-term memory is a type of memory that keeps small amounts of information active in the mind and reliable for a short period of time. The duration of short-term memory is measured in seconds. There are 3 key aspects about short-term memory. They are capacity, they are limit capacity, they are duration, and the last one is encoding. The last main information we need to know about memory is called the long-term memory. So long-term memory refers to the storage of information over an extended period. If you can remember something that happened more than just a few moments ago, whether it occurred just hours ago or decades earlier, then it's a long-term memory. There are few types of different long-term memory. They are procedural memory, they are declarative memory, semantic memory, episodic memory, and the last one is called the implicit memories. So these 5 different types of memory is the main memory actions that people will happen in the long-term memory. So this is all my research and the information. Thank you very much.